back everyone. Today we are at Mona Enterprise. Yes, we are at Mona Enterprise. But we are not getting our tire anywhere. I don't know where he kept. बोल के तो रखा था मैंने टायर के बारे में. छुट्टा नहीं मिल गया भैया. I'm in frame, right? So yes guys, welcome back to the channel everyone. And today is what is today? Today is 28th of September, and I'm just planning for a big ride. It's going to be a long ride. I'm going to Kerala with my friend Akash, who just need to explain some specification what I'm going to do with my bike for the long ride. First thing, we need to change our tires. Those are Maxes. We got a front tire as a 90/90/21 and the rear tire is 120/90/17. Right. The rear tire is available. The front tire is not available currently in the shop. Front tire and the rear tire, which I changed at something around 15,000 kilometers, and now it is around 33, more than 33,000 kilometers. I use these tires. These are Maxes, but now Maxis is not giving that much average. I'm going to change this to TVS Duro Grip, which are costing me around 6,500 rupees. And yes, I'm going to use it on a Kerala ride, which is good. Another things which I did in the bike, these are the alpha lights, and another are these crash guard which I recently got from Auto Engina. So thanks to Auto Engina. And quite little modification which I'm going to do with my bike is that those are the indicators. Specifically, I need to change my indicators. Yes, other than everything looks good. Let's wait till 6:30 in the evening. Update to you on that. See you guys. निकल गया पीछे का भैया जी लगा रहे नया टायर. She looks anyways, but it is good. Let's do this one, then this one. TVS Duro Grip, nice. Good TVS Duro Grip. This is we are going to put. इससे क्या होता है, ये जो बीच में जो पैच है, this patch mostly touch to the road, right? And this is gliding, like this will give a good average and also the good grip. But whenever I'm going to lean or whenever I'm going to turn my bike, तो ये जो साइड का पार्ट है, ये साइड वाला और ये साइड वाला, ये साइड और दोनों साइड वाला हेल्प करता है ग्रिप के लिए. ऐसे भैया जी का कहना है. Information guys, this is tyre from a Benelli. देखना प्राइस देखो यार, 24,000 भाई. 2400 का टायर है बेनेली का, 24,000 का टायर. सॉरी, ये बेनेली है, ये भी बेनेली है, ये भी शायद बेनेली है. खतरनाक. हम तो ये सादे लोग, एक्सेस सादे लोग. आई गॉट ऑप्शंस, मतलब मुझे ऑप्शंस थे. ये दिस वन इज अ C8, दिस इज अ मैक्सेस एंड दिस इज अ TVS ड्यूरो ग्रिप. तो पता है सामने का टायर निकालने के बाद गाड़ी के साथ क्या होता है, ऐसे होता है. अरे भाई तो भाई ये जुगाड़ लगाया भैया ने यहाँ पे. मेरा एक्सेल निकाल के वहाँ पे लगाया और दूसरा कुछ तो लगा के लंगड़ी था रेमा जी गाड़ी लंगड़ी. इट लुक्स, दिस इज द मैक्सेस द ओल्ड टायर एंड दैट्स द न्यू टायर. दिस न्यू टायर इज लिटिल curvy and this is little base. It is like a broad tire which help you while off-roading but which will not that much help you while touring. So that's a touring. This is off-roader. Look at the button size, yeah. That's why Maxis is famous for that. And those buttons are really good. But Maxis is always best for off-roading. Nice new boots. Right. Tires, and these are TVS Duro Grip underwear. Oh my God, this is nice, यार. और ये हमारे भैया जी ने टायर बिठा दिया है. भैया जी थैंक यू. भैया जी स्माइल. watching the vlog till here and enjoy and have fun, guys. And look at the bike. Wow, looks good.
يلا دي جي هوبي I got no time to waste اليوم لازم في الهبد ورست لابس كاشخ.
Okay.